Oh, there's nothing on TV. Hon?
Yep.
Are you craving something sweet?
Always.
Me too. What are we going to do about that?
Peanut butter no bake.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
All right.
Easy.
What do we got?
We got oatmeal, peanut butter, and sugar.
Oatmeal, peanut butter, and sugar.
Woo-hoo.
All right.
We need milk, butter.
Milk and butter.
Milk, butter. And vanilla. That's it.
Milk, butter, vanilla, and a pan.
And a bowl.
And a bowl.
And a bowl.
Let's see what all we have.
And pan. Okay, so
Peanut butter, no bake, oatmeal cookies.
stick of butter, which is half a cup, going in. Trash.
Okay, I'll get rid of the trash.
Half a cup of milk. Maybe going in. Done. Put that on the stove and let that start melting.
What do you do, turn it on high?
Sure. Let's turn it on high.
All right, you gonna let that melt?
And then that gives us a chance to do the rest of the stuff. Dry stuff. We got, ooh, we're almost out of oatmeal. Ooh, we gotta have 3 cups.
3 cups of oatmeal,
Half a
1,
cup.
2,
1 cup. Half a cup. These are half cups. 2
4,
cups. 2.5. Ooh.
look
Perfect.
there.
Nobody will notice.
3 cups of oatmeal, just perfect.
Perfect. And you
This
also,
is quick cook oatmeal. Okay.
yeah, it's a lot better than your traditional oatmeal. It's not cooks a little bit more, not as chewy. I eyeball this because I've made it so many times, but go with about half a cup of peanut butter in your dry stuff.
Half a cup of peanut butter, okay. Just a
Got
big
that all
old
in there.
spatula full.
So we're done with that. Move that out of the way.
And we don't care if it's Jif, we just got the good old peanut delight creamy.
Okay, then we gotta put sugar in our butter and our milk that's over there on the stove. So we gotta put 2 cups of sugar. I know it sounds like a lot.
Oh,
but
2 cups of sugar, hey, all about sweetness.
You were craving something sweet, right?
I
Here
am
we go.
craving something
So
sweet.
4 cups. 1.
4 half cups.
Well, yeah, 2. 3. And 4.
All right, and that is gonna.
We're gonna bring that to a boil and then boil it for a minute. And I can already hear it hot over here.
Okay. Let's turn the light on over here. All right, so she's melting down and stirring up.
This is probably going to take a couple minutes to melt down the butter and bring it to a boil. And then really all you're wanting to do is just kind of get that sugar dissolved in the milk and the butter. And it will actually thicken up the peanut butter and the oatmeal that we have in the other bowl.
Okay.
You know the one ingredient
Do we
have?
need wax paper?
Yeah, yeah.
You want me to stir that while you get the wax
I got
paper?
it.
Oh,
But you
man.
grab the-
My wife, she is a multitasker. Look at her.
The
she
only
can
thing
stir.
I do need you to grab is that vanilla right up there.
Oh, she's got to do a little vanilla here.
Yeah.
Let's see,
You
where's
don't
the
put it
vanilla?
in the-
There's
that
the
works.
imitation vanilla.
Don't put it in your pan because it'll evaporate out. It goes with the dry ingredients when we pour all this together.
So you put the vanilla with the dry ingredients over here. So she'll need that. All right.
And right now we're just waiting on the butter to melt and get
And
a little
she's
bit
got
of
the
a
wax
boil.
paper.
Got the wax paper.
I can stir this
Kind
while that's doing, and you can spread out the wax paper.
wax paper. Let's go here.
And I can watch from a distance.
Oh, glad the lid was on that. I do get called a spill queen for a reason.
Oh yeah, this is my spill queen. She's doing USA.
Legit. And I got my favorite cookie scoop.
Oh yeah,
Favorite
cookie
chef
scoop. Gotta have cookie scoops.
Favorite.
Oh.
It's my favorite. Back. You can see it's not a very time-consuming recipe. A lot
That
of
is
people.
what's good about it, because
Yeah.
I'm ready for something sweet, and this is all my wife's going to give me.
A lot of people make these with chocolate in them, but I married a man that doesn't like chocolate, doesn't eat chocolate.
You talking about cocoa?
Yeah, you put cocoa in it to make them chocolate peanut butter, no bake. Chocolate, no bake.
How much, if you do use cocoa, how much you put in it?
Gosh, I haven't made it in so long. I'd have to look at the recipe. I think it's half a cup of cocoa powder in this right here.
Oh, that would be wouldn't that make it better?
No, because all that sugar in there makes it sweet. No worries.
Okay.
All right, so I got a little bit of boil going on, so I'm going to time it a minute. It's okay if all of your butter is not melted. It'll melt, trust me. It's on its way.
Okay, as soon as it starts to boil, as you can see, she's stirring just a little bit more, and you stir it for how long?
Got about a minute.
As soon as it starts to boil, you stir it for a minute, okay? She turned her heat down to about medium.
Because it was getting pretty high
She
out of the
doesn't
pot.
want it to burn on the bottom of the pan, but she constantly stirs so that it doesn't stick. Not like I'm telling her what to do. It's just that over the last 20 years, I have seen this process many, many times. Remember, sometimes it's the only sweetness I get.
Oh, now, I don't know about that.
Oh, that's true.
Okay, it's been, I don't know, 30 seconds? So we probably got about another 30 to go. I keep looking at my watch. It's when it pops 4:54, we're good. Grab a... The perk of having a small kitchen is everything relatively within arm's length.
Yeah, so she just threw a hot pad out here. Hot pad, hot pad.
Alright, so it shows me at 4:54. I'm going to take it off the heat and add it to my dry ingredients that are in the bowl.
Okay.
It's going to kind of melt that peanut butter. Ooh, that's goodness right there. Sweet butter, milk, sugar.
This right here doesn't weigh very much, so if you're on a diet, it doesn't weigh very much.
I'm going to go ahead and stir that.
Put her
hot
pad under her plastic bowl.
Not really necessary. I was going to put my pan on there, but I thought, I'm that close. I'll just go ahead and put it on the stove, get it out of the way. So I got about a teaspoon of vanilla that I'm adding to it.
A teaspoon of vanilla. All right, perfect.
And stir it up. They'll be kind of wet in the bowl. That's why we've got the wax paper laid out. So when we put it out on the wax paper, it will have an opportunity to set up. A lot of times these don't really have a lot of time to set up at my house before they're confiscated. So I got 3 boys, including you, that go after them with a spoon while they're still a little bit soupy. So that's about the consistency you're looking for right there. They're still, like I said, a little bit shiny, a little bit wet.
It's just sturdy and real well.
Easiest part is just to get a cookie scoop, turn it upside down, plop it out, just keep going until you get them all put out on the wax paper. And like I said, in no time I'll have 3 boys standing around like piranhas at feeding time.
Now at this stage, if you go diving in too soon, you're going to burn your tongue. So give it a minute or two. I know it's hard, but you can wait. Don't ask me how I know that.
See, we've got, it probably makes, depending on the size of your cookies, you could probably get 2 dozen cookies out of them.
Fuzz.
Where'd that come from? Where did that come from?
And then, of course, we all fight over the bowl.
Yep. There's always extras left over. No matter how well I think I'm judging the wax paper, I always run out of wax paper. That's right, it gives my kids an opportunity to lick the bowl. You're never too old to lick the bowl. All right.
All right.
There you have it.
So that made, without what's left in the bowl, which I'm sure we're going to fight over.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So probably about 2 dozen cookies.
About 2 dozen cookies, depending on the size of your scoop. And we let those set up, and we're all done. Is that right?
All done. Peanut butter cookies. We got something sweet now. This is Dana with Doing USA. And hey, hit like and subscribe and you'll get more quick, sweet recipes from me.
In the future.
In the future.
That's right. And can you believe it? Look. 2 are gone. All right. Thank you, Dana.
You bet.